There are so many houses in this particular area, all jam-packed, skyscrapers, so many houses, traffic. Meanwhile, this other area, there are just few houses. The population is really low. What's going on? Yes, so like the breaking news of today. Today now, November 8th. And I carry another breaking news come for us. I'm your girl, Buki Ovasabi, your friend, your sister, your neighbor. On this special day, 8th of November is World Town Planning Day, or you can say World Urbanism Day. That is the reason why some places are called urban areas and other places are rural areas. Now plan them, no be mistake. Now planning. Yes, so now the people where they call town planner, now in the planner. That's why you have some places having some landscaping. They see beautiful grass, flower, trees, no be mistake. Those, they not just start to grow by themselves. Now planning them, plan them. You see some places they call high density places. Population there, too many people there. Now so they plan them. Some cities they call it according to the master plan. Now yeah, I say make we come discuss today, or make we come consider, or maybe we share with our neighbor, our friends, that today, November 8th, is World Urbanism Day or World Town Planning Day. So, make you plan your own side. You don't buy that your own small piece of land, whether not big one. Anyone where you fit collect, may you collect. This earth, now the same, constant. You know they shake, you know they bring out more. No be say the land go dey plenty more. Go collect your own. Whether na land, whether na house, make all of us for join together plan am. Yes, so I take some. That's why they call me Buki Ovasabi. I sabi too many things. And they go soon come back. I no go take.